Hi guys, welcome to my channel We All New. In today's video, we will be seeing how you can make a same character do different activities. And these all things you can do on PowerPoint. You can have these characters on your animations or your presentations. These can affect a lot more. Let's see how you can have these. So, I have opened a new slide on PowerPoint. Now, let's get ahead and see how we can have those characters. I'll go to Insert. Then here I'll see the option called Get Add-ins. Click on it. In the search option, search Pixton. Then you'll see Pixton comic characters. You can add it. And now at the home page, you'll see Pixton characters. You click on it and say Get Started. You have 8 total types of bodies you can make the characters on. 4 kids and 4 adults. I'll make a little girl. You can here choose the skin type and the hair color. Here you can choose the hair type. And here you'll choose your outfits. There are multiple of them. I'll choose this one. And now you can choose your pose. All of these poses can be added in your animations. These can affect a lot. I'll choose a drinking one, a going to office one, and taking a selfie. I'll close this thing and I'll set these in my slide. Now I want the same character but with a different pose. So what I can do is go to Pixton characters. Instead of making them again, I'll go to Recent and I'll see the character I made. Then you can choose the one you want and you'll have it. You can also copy paste it whenever you want. So, let me show you a male character. So I'll choose this man. You can choose the skin and hair color, the hair type, the outfit, and the pose. So you see, you have a character here now. You can say Ctrl C for controlling, copying, and Ctrl X for cutting it. Then I'll go to a blank new slide and Ctrl V for pasting it. Now you can see I have my character here. You can also paste it on different documents all over your PCs, whether it's a Google document or even Word. These characters are really helpful in your presentations. You can use it. Hope you liked it, guys. Comment, like, and share my channel. Bye.